In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect SteelSeries Arctis Nova 7X wireless. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Nova 7 wireless is compatible with many different devices, including consoles, PC, and even smartphones. So I'm going to teach you how to set up your 7X. The 7X is this one that has a green headband. In general, the instructions are going to be the same for all models, but I'm going to be talking about the 7X specifically. The 7X will include this USB-C dongle. As you can see, it has a physical toggle on the dongle itself. One side will have the Xbox option and the other one will have USB. As the names suggest, you will have to change the mode depending on the console that you will be using. So first of all, for Xbox consoles, make sure that you set it to the Xbox position, so to the left when you look at the switch, and then you plug it into your Xbox using the provided USB-C to USB-A cable. So they are going to provide you with this adapter cable. You plug the dongle into the adapter and then it goes into the Xbox console. With this done, press the physical button on the dongle itself. So as you can see at the top, very faintly, there is going to be this button that you press to enable pairing mode. Now you power on the headset and it should automatically pair itself up with the dongle as long as you are in close proximity. If needed, press a specific combination of buttons, but usually by powering it on, you will be good to go as long as you set the wireless mode switch to Xbox. For PC and PlayStation, Android, all of these other devices, it needs to be set to the USB option. So instead of Xbox, change the toggle to USB. So for PC, Android, Switch, Mac, PlayStation 5 and PlayStation 4, with it on USB mode, use the dongle once again. If you want to use it on a PlayStation 5 or PlayStation 4, on the official manual, they say that you need to use the USB-C to USB-A adapter. So plug that in as well if you are going to be using it on a PlayStation console. And then just repeat the same steps that I described. You plug the dongle into the adapter and then the adapter goes into the available USB ports on PC, PlayStation 5 or PlayStation 4. Power on the headset and then press the physical pair button on the dongle and they should pair up together between themselves automatically as long as you have it set to USB mode and you press the physical button. If you plan to use it on a PC, Android, Switch or Mac, you don't have to use the USB-C to USB-A adapter, just plug the USB dongle directly. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect SteelSeries Arctis Nova 7X wireless. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.